Welcome to 10 Figure Life. Let's talk about Baby Dogecoin biggest achievements, Baby Dogecoin future, cryptocurrency news today, so make sure you stay tuned with us until the end of the video. Let's get started. Beginnings on a lowly scale. It is predicted that cryptocurrency will have significant promise in the near future. Cryptocurrency is a rapidly emerging field. While there are agreements and disagreements, the popularity of Bitcoin cannot be denied, despite the fact that there are agreements and disparities. The Doge meme online community came up with the idea of creating Baby Doge as a way of expressing themselves. Being recognized as Doge is a significant advantage for the cryptocurrency, especially considering the cryptocurrency's enormous popularity and influence in today's world. Additionally, the fact that transactions are done more swiftly, along with the evident cuteness, should be considered. And it appears that the cryptocurrency community is becoming increasingly fond of this joke coin. This is supported by the fact that there are 1 million card holders worldwide. A notable trait of the Baby Doge is that it's hyperdeflationary, which is also one of the most noticeable qualities. It is also one of the most prominent features. In addition to being visually appealing, the fact that every transaction results in additional Baby Doge being added to the holder's wallet is something that cannot be disregarded altogether. And without a doubt, the social media fever has made the cryptocurrency's ascent to prominence that much more straightforward. A word of warning, on the other hand, is necessary. Even if Baby Doge appears to be lovely and adorable, it is vital to remember the fundamental characteristic of all cryptocurrencies, which is their level of volatility. Consequently, it will be highly important to proceed with prudence before making any financial commitments. What happens when the graph plummets and your heart follows suit is completely unexpected. Baby Dogecoin has been launched on the cryptocurrency exchange HOO after clearing the 1 million holder mark, prompting the question of whether investors should consider investing in the meme coin. Baby Dogecoin, which is Dogecoin's sole progeny, first came into the public prominence in August when Elon Musk posted a poem on Twitter about the cryptocurrency titled Baby Dogecoin, in which he referred to the cryptocurrency as Baby Dogecoin. As a result, the meme currency experienced its largest ever increase of 104.5%, piquing the curiosity of investors, particularly those looking to trade in new cryptocurrencies. It looks like Baby Doge has established itself as a legitimate competitor to meme coins such as Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and SafeMoon, as well as other cryptocurrencies, to name a few. A tweet from the Baby Doge Twitter account on November 16, 2021, stated that the cryptocurrency has reached about 1 million holders. The meme currency is currently being supported by a large number of institutional investors, which is a positive development. Petcoin, also known as Baby Doge, is a hyperdeflationary cryptocurrency that, according to CoinMarketCap, is an enhanced version of the Elon Musk-backed Dogecoin. Dogecoin was first presented on December 6, 2013, according to the cryptocurrency exchange, and has since gained widespread adoption. The story directly behind it, on the other hand, is quite similar to the one that surrounds the Shiba symbol in appearance. This cryptocurrency is predicted to remain volatile despite the fact that it's garnered popularity in its early stages. In October 2020, it looks that the Shiba Inu's bull rallies will help to increase the popularity of the meme currency and investor confidence as it continues to gain pace. With increasing frequency, it is swiftly rising in popularity on social media platforms, where it's quickly becoming the most talked about cryptocurrency. On July 20th, the Baby Doge soared up to 725% in a single day, according to its creators. However, the cryptocurrency then fell into a downtrend and lost 46.9% on October 26th, before soaring to 111.29% the following day, indicating that it's an extremely volatile cryptocurrency. There is concern about the volatility of tokens in general, according to a blog post authored by Christine Brown, the chief operating officer of the popular Robinhood cryptocurrency, which was published on Thursday. The CEO did not particularly address Shiba Inu, but he did state that the firm is not in a haste to introduce any new crypto coins or to list volatile cryptos that could be harmful to investors, implying that the meme coin may be volatile. We may agree to disagree on some issues, but performing thorough study before putting one's hard-earned money into something as volatile as the stock market is vital for the protection of investors' funds. The creators and staff of the Baby Doge token, like those of a slew of other meme cryptocurrencies, have chosen to remain anonymous, but the token's social media team has been extremely active in marketing the token, which has resulted in a marketing campaign that is of a higher quality than that of many other similar tokens in the crypto market. WHO has announced that Baby Doge will be launched on the 16th of November. Baby Doge has risen to the top of the list of the most popular trending topics on Twitter once more. as we all are very aware that Twitter has a proclivity towards swaying to the beat of Bitcoin, which may be a little unsettling at times. It is possible to attract the attention of the Twitter town on occasion by playing music that is occasionally joyful and sometimes not so cheerful. No day goes by that Twitterati isn't discussing cryptocurrencies and its ups and downs, which is to say that it's constantly trending on the social media platform. Baby Doge, in particular, has been subject of discussion on Twitter today, and those who are familiar with the crypto trends on the site will be well aware that this is not the first time that Baby Doge has been the subject of discussion on the network. And today, Baby Doge is in full celebration mode, having hit the milestone of 1 million registered users on a social media platform. While this may be true, it is still a significant number that can be displayed publicly. And we all understand what that means to brag about one's accomplishments on social media. As you may have noticed, Baby Doge is presently at the top of Twitter's trending topics list, garnering comments and responses from people around the globe. There have been a number of comments on Twitter. As Baby Doge takes center stage on Twitter once more, comments and responses have poured in from all corners of the globe. It should come in as no surprise that there is a lot of vitality and excitement in these responses. Consider some of the emotions and responses that erupted on Twitter, propelling Baby Doge to the top of the list of the most trending topics in the world. Always remember that this video is solely for educational purposes and should not be taken as investment advice or recommendations. Due to the fact that cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile, it is impossible to anticipate what the price of a token will be at any given point in the future. This is the case in the case of Bitcoin. The price of a cryptocurrency may have changed dramatically, and by the time you're watching this video, possibly by a big amount more than anticipated, it may have gone up and down, making it unpredictable, incredibly unpredictable and volatile when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies. Even if Baby Doge appears to be a promising investment concept, the cryptocurrency market is characterized by lack of stability, which means that cryptocurrency investments are either always a win-win situation for investors or a lose-it-all situation for investors. Please accept my heartfelt appreciation for taking the time to watch this video. I really hope that you found it informative and entertaining. We ask that you kindly like and subscribe to the videos that we'll be publishing in the future in order to assist us in providing you with more exciting and relevant content in the future. Until then, take care, and we'll see you next time when we get back together. Also, just before you leave, please don't forget to leave your very valuable thoughts down in the comment section of this video, which, of course, will be very encouraging to us. At the same time, it'll be very, very helpful to all the other viewers who are trying really hard to learn some more about cryptocurrencies and about Baby Dogecoin, its volatile market.